In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications on Salesforce, a process that can enhance your productivity by keeping you informed about the things that matter most in your workflow. We're going to walk through each step in a way that's clear and straightforward. So by the end of this guide, you'll be fully equipped to customize your notification settings with ease. First, let's navigate to where it all begins. Start by clicking on your avatar or profile picture located at the top right corner of the Salesforce Lightning Experience interface. This will present you with a drop-down menu where you should select Settings to dive deeper into your personal preferences. Once you're in the Settings area, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll find a Quick Find box. This is your go-to tool for swiftly locating specific settings without the hassle of scrolling through pages. Type in the word Notification, and you'll see Notification Settings pop up as an option. Click on that to proceed. At this point, you'll be presented with the main sections that allow you to adjust your notifications. There's the Desktop section, which is all about the in-app notifications that appear as bell alerts within Salesforce. Then, there's the Email section, where you control which activities will also alert you via email, ensuring you never miss a beat even when you're away from the Salesforce application itself. Now let's tailor these alert systems to best suit your needs. As you scroll down, you'll encounter the Salesforce Apps section. This area includes customizable settings for essential features like chatter, tasks, and approvals, where you can fine-tune exactly what notifications you want to receive. For many users, chatter notifications are a particularly crucial part of staying connected within their organization. Here, you can decide your preferences for several actions. If you want to know when someone mentions you, you can enable notifications specifically for mentions in a post or comment. You might also wish to be updated on comments, which will inform you whenever someone comments on a post you've either made or chosen to follow. Additionally, there's Group Activity, allowing you to opt into notifications for specific chatter groups to which you belong, keeping you in the loop with group discussions and updates. Finally, don't overlook the Approvals section. This is essential for those who manage or oversee various processes, as it enables you to configure notifications to alert you whenever something requires your approval. By adjusting this setting, you'll be able to stay on top of important decisions in real time. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough for setting up notifications on Salesforce. With these settings tailored to fit your preferences, you'll stay informed and connected, boosting both your efficiency and effectiveness. So, go ahead and set up your notifications, and watch how quickly you can respond and adapt to the dynamic Salesforce environment. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!